y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my second installment of my summer makeup favorites series. Today I am doing blush. If you missed my foundations, I'll go ahead and leave that video linked down below, but over here I've got my favorite creams, liquids, and powders. Well, let's go ahead and start in with the creams. I've got the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin cream to powder blush in the shade Unbothered. I absolutely love this. It's very shimmery, very easy to wear. It is beautiful. I also have the Haus Labs Glassy blush stick in the shade Glassy Pomelo. It's just this light peachy pink kind of a formula. Just so beautiful. For a more affordable option, I've got the Revolution blush and highlight wand. I am particularly looking at the blush. These kind of hot pink shades are gorgeous for the summer. Definitely something if you want more of a higher blush blindness kind of a pigment. So beautiful, stays really well. It's just gorgeous, and this is just, I feel like, one of those drugstore hidden gems. Moving on to liquids, I've got the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer blush. I have mine in the shade Southbound. Again, just so beautiful, very like a soft peachy pinky kind of a tone, just absolutely gorgeous. I've got the Tarte Shape Tape blush wand in the shade Pink. It's perfect if you want more of a glowy blush, very much of a light soft pink tone. Very beautiful. I love it. A lot of these items I did get in my Ipsy Extras and they are beautiful. A good matte version of the blush wand would be my Wander Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. This is, I think, a little bit more peach than the Tarte one, but still just as gorgeous, and it is a matte formula. I have mine in the shade Rose Hippity, or no, it says it right there on the back, Oceana. Either way, it's gorgeous. A little sample I got in the Sephora birthday gift this year, back in January. I got the Cloud Paint by Glossier in the shade Puff. Very beautiful, very skin-like, absolutely stunning, just gorgeous. The Drunk Elephant Rosy Drops are another beautiful, very natural, very lightweight kind of flush of color for summer. Again, gorgeous. It's definitely more of your rose pink. This would be more of a summer going into fall shade, but I really like this type of formula, especially for the summer. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, you'll know that I absolutely love these Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewy Flushes. I've got two shades here. This one I picked up recently, and this one I picked up a year ago. These are just so beautiful. Both look really good on the skin. Both are like the perfect formula for summer. This one would be more of your spring to summer shade, and this one here would be more of your summer going into fall shade. Both beautiful, both skin-like. If you've got fair to light skin, this would be absolutely perfect for you. And then this will probably go in the bronzer category as well, but the Physicians Formula Butter Glow, I am talking about the cream blush from this side. I am talking about the cream blush from this duo. Another beautiful, more matte pink, but still very glowy and fresh on the skin. Absolutely stunning. Moving on to powders now. Powders are not my favorite formula for summertime, although they do work and they are good, especially for a quicker application out the door. But they're not going to give you that like juicy cheeks, summer glow feeling that I feel like you'd get with a cream or liquid. This one I have here is the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush in the shade Nude Pop. Perfect if you're just wanting a nude, little bit of a flush of color, more of a bronzy nude tone on your cheeks, something that you don't want overpowering on the cheeks, but you just want that little flush of color there. This is perfect. I don't even know if these are still available anymore, but the Milani powder blush, this is in the shade Coral Cove, a perfect powdery peachy tone for summer, but I feel like I've heard really good things about the baked formula, so if you can't find this one anymore, I would recommend trying those. I've never tried them personally, but this would be a good alternative if you're wanting to try a good affordable Milani blush product. Moving on to luxury, the new YSL powder blushes, their new Make Me Blush line. I've got this very shimmery, soft, glowy, kind of peachier shade here. It is beautiful on the skin. I do like it. It's definitely luxury, not cheap, but if you're up for a good high-end blush and you're in the market for one, I feel like this formula would be good. I still have yet to try more shades of this, but I do want to. I have been enjoying this one from YSL. Here's an oldie but a goodie blush. It's the It Cosmetics Ombre Radiance. Again, I don't know if this one is still available or not, but I have loved this one over the years. It is gorgeous. You go from light peach to a darker pink almost. Again, so pretty, so gorgeous. I absolutely love this formula. Like I said, I don't know if they're still available. I feel like they might be, but I'm not sure. But if you can get your hands on it, it is beautiful. I feel like this is another one of those hidden gems. I got this in MC Extra a couple months ago, but it is the RealHer Your Brilliant Blush Palette. These are more orangey tones. Every single shade in here is orangey, but surprisingly, they perform beautiful on the skin. Even the dark shades perform really beautifully on my light skin tone. Again, I would highly recommend this palette if you can get your hands on it. I'm really not a huge fan of RealHer, but this one took me by surprise. Another blush palette here. This one's from Ofta. I don't know if this is still available or not, but I got all of these shades here. But these shades of blushes for me just remind me of summer, like the burnt-ier shades, this more burnt pinks here, a couple of lighter peachy pink shades. I think this is so beautiful. This is the Ofra Charm Your Cheeks blush palette. I got this, I want to say, about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago in I think it was still BoxyCharm then, so hopefully if you can't get your hands on these particular shades, maybe you can get your hands on something similar. These are beautiful. And that is my blush roundup for summer of 2026. Let me know which video you want to see in my next installment of this series, but these are just so beautiful. Love these. I look forward to playing with these shades during the summer. These are just my absolute favorites. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. But if not, if you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.